What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in today's video I want to talk to you about Gala Games. Don't leave. I know games is a keyword for a lot of people to get turned off and say, oh, I'm not interested. But guys, it's financial incentive, guys. It's about generating massive passive income. One of the ways of doing that is through operating a node. Another way is by playing the games. The other way is just by investing in the project and holding the token. So you have three ways of making money. I am using all three, me personally, guys. But before we get into it, guys, I do want to hit you with my disclaimer, guys. Make sure that you know I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do should not be taken as financial advice. Please make sure you're always doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that said, let's jump right into it. So guys, the headline is massive passive income, guys, and this is it right here, guys. I own two nodes and I get 800 Gala per day. It used to be more. I have a lot that I've already withdrawn from my account that's just sitting in my wallet. I have over hundreds of thousands just generated by these nodes throughout the year. I did invest pretty early, pretty much 2 weeks after I even went into crypto. So right now I'm getting 800 Gala a day, guys. Let's look at what that translates into, guys. 800 is roughly 67 bucks. Guys, when you're doing the math, 30 days in a month times 67, I'm making $2,000 of income daily, and that is just at today's prices. This is going to go up as they grow, as some of their projects become live, especially one of them, Miranda's, is going to be a huge one. That's going to bring on so many more transactions onto the network, which is going to, one, increase the price, but also increase the amount of Gala that my nodes will mint. So guys, or mine, I'm sorry. So guys, this is the number one reason you are interested in Gala Games. Passive income that you can generate with the nodes. The number two reason is the performance of the token itself, guys. And again, this has been trading since September of 2020, but since September of 2021 there was a huge spike here, guys. So there's a huge spike and it's now trading sideways, accumulating, ready to go and take off again as Bitcoin begins to take off. So in terms of investing in the token itself, this is a prime time to start allocating into this, getting ready for takeoff when the market goes ballistic. And reason number three are the games themselves. I will go and dive into those, but before I do so, I do want to let you know and give you a reminder. I have a referral link in the bottom here. You can create an account. There are some events coming up that I'll go over later in this video, as well as some other videos, guys. Please do me a favor, use that link to sign up. It's not a scam, guys. I wouldn't scam you. This is a link that will give me credit for having referred you, and I also get rewards for that, and you will then be part of the Gala family and be able to start lining yourself up for some massive passive income, for some video games, or just by hodling the token. But there is going to be a big advantage for having an account. The account costs you nothing. Please use that link, go and create an account, and we're going to talk about why towards the end of this video. So let's talk about the games. Gala Games is obviously a gaming platform, guys. They're building a blockchain called the Gala Chain. Only exists to host games. And here are their current games today, guys. They have 5 that have been announced. Townstar is already playable. Miranda's huge fantasy RPG MMO game coming out very soon. Spider Tank's huge MOBA style or PvP brawler style game. That's awesome. I'm going to show you gameplay on all of these, or at least on Townstar and Spider Tanks. It's going to be pretty awesome, guys. But I want to get this message across, guys. This is a gaming platform. The gaming industry is a billions of dollar industry. There is a huge market for this, right? Especially now with NFTs having gone in through its craze and its bubbles growing and growing. Not saying it's gonna burst, but it's growing. Gaming is doing the same thing right now. Axie Infinity took the lead, but other games are following, and this is one of them. Gala Games is one of them. Miranda's is gonna be ridiculous, guys. Think about in college, I played World of Warcraft, an MMO game. You may not be familiar with it if you're not a gamer. Bear with me, guys. Listen through this. I spent hundreds of hours on World of Warcraft. All those items, all those rare items that I spent grinding and trying to get were worth nothing in the end, right? Yeah, I could have sold them to someone on eBay that's too lazy to do the grinding themselves or doesn't have the time, whatever. But there's no true financial system. There's no economy behind it outside of that, right? And that was even not really allowed. Blizzard didn't want that. So Miranda's, you're able to do this. All the raw materials that you find, rare items, a legendary cloak or a mount or the actual camp or the property, the land in this world that you own. Those are all NFTs, and those all will rise in value as the economy grows. And this is the kind of mindset I want you to have when we're thinking about play to earn games. Guys, Townstar is a play to earn game right now. You can actually make money playing Townstar right now. Spider tanks, you're going to be able to level up your tanks and make them stronger and sell them as NFTs once that comes out. So this is happening. This is a thing that's going to continue to happen. This is something that's going to keep happening during the bear market because people are not going to stop playing games in the bear market, right? So there's still money to be made, and this is why Gala Games is going places, guys. I just want to make sure that I really get this message across. But let's dive into some of the game plans so you can see what this is all about. Okay, guys, and this is Townstar, guys. This is basically Farmville. Actually, the person that created Farmville and worked at Zynga Games and was one of the founding members of Zynga Games left Zynga Games, which is a multi-billion-dollar publicly traded gaming company, right? That person left Zynga Games and is now working or one of the leaders at Gala Games, guys. So Gala Games is a serious, serious company, and they are looking to really provide a optimal gaming experience, guys. So this is their first game. I'm not going to spend much time here, but this is just an example so you know what their products are. Guys, and next up we have Spider Tanks. This is the one I'm excited for. This Scorpion right here is actually on sale right now for one more day in the stores, guys. It's only on sale for one more day. You can see right here. But Spider Tanks is basically a PvP brawler game or a MOBA game where you and a team of 2 others will go and fight other tanks, guys. This thing is awesome. These tanks are NFTs, so use the referral link, guys. Use the referral link and come and join us in the Gala world, guys. You will be able to buy these NFTs right through your account and actually either use them and play and level them up and sell them. You can sell them immediately. You can just hold them and sell them later because they're going to go up in value, especially, guys, especially these spider tanks. So let's make sure that we're not missing out on that, guys. I want to make sure you're aware. These spider tanks are on sale for one more day. There's still some left. This is a common one, guys. There are others out here. As you can see here, we have epic, legendary, and ancient ones, and the prices go up. They're going to be more powerful in the game depending, but guys, come and check these out. Anyway, here's some of the gameplay and the different game modes that are out there. Alright guys, so this is the game mode where you actually have to capture and hold the flag. Team that holds it for the longest wins the game. So basically, you have one of you holds the flag, the other two have to protect you. The other team has to try and kill the person with the flag, and then pick it up and hold it. This match is just regular team deathmatch. All you have to do is get more kills than the other team. So it's pretty much open play, no objectives, just team deathmatch, traditional style. If you guys play video games, you know what that means. Just show you some gameplay here, some of the interactions. So there's objects on the map that you can use to dodge. Different guns do different things. Different tank bodies have different amounts of health. Some are quicker, some are slower. Depending on the weapons, you have weapons that will actually hone in. You have weapons that can heal. A couple of different variables about this game. Alright, and in this specific game mode, you actually capture and deliver chickens. So you can see the player on the top left had a number above their head. That means they're holding one chicken. So you can see here on the bottom right, that thing with the yellow arrow, that's where you would drop the chickens off. So guys, when you kill someone that's holding chickens, they drop their chickens, you can pick them up and then try and deliver them. And that's this game mode, guys. So that's pretty much the 3 game modes. This is a pretty cool game, guys. I like it, and it's going definitely attract a lot of people, guys. So how do these games run? They run on the Gala chains, and the Gala chain is powered by nodes. It's fully decentralized. It is the essence of blockchain technology, guys. There are currently, here it says 16,000. It's actually more, and I know this because when I look at my node screen, I see we have 17,300 that are active right now. That means these are actually on, up, and running. Guys, these are the nodes that are making you the massive passive gains, guys. These are the nodes that do all of these transactions that I'm scrolling through, and as a reward, I get paid in Gala, guys. So there are only going to be 50,000 of these, right? Once all 50,000 have been purchased, then they turn into NFTs, and they can actually be sold. So the 2 nodes that I have turn into an NFT that I can sell after 50,000, all 50,000 are sold. Guys, the first note I bought was 9,000. The second one was about 10,000. Right now, I think they're a little bit more expensive, guys. But think about the massive passive income. I've already almost made all my money back just from the Gala I've been making. Guys, so again, once all the nodes are sold, it turns to an NFT. The last node that sells, guess how much it's selling for? Over $50,000 or $60,000. The last node is selling for over $50,000 or $60,000. That means that once my nodes that I bought for 9,000 and 10,000 become NFTs when the last node is sold, then I can sell them for over 50 to 60,000, assuming that it's not going to floor, which it won't, because these nodes are going to be in huge demand. I can't even say that with enough emphasis. In huge demand, guys. So this is an investment that I am 100% comfortable with, but I'm not telling you what to do. I want you to feel just as comfortable and confident in that investment were you to do that. But guys, if you do decide to buy a node, use my referral link in this video. Use it. It's in the description. Use that referral link. It will actually give me some extra gala for you having purchased a node, and it would really help me out. And that is part of the money I'm actually using for the giveaways that are going to be starting with 5,000 subscribers and every 2,500 after that. So 5,000 first giveaway, 7,500 second giveaway, 10,000, and so on, all the way up until 1,000,000. Probably gonna take a couple of years, but still, it's happening, guys. And Gala Nodes is going to fund that. I want to show you now a special announcement that just came out, guys. Check this out. Guys, this one excites me beyond this world. First of all, this is an actual event happening in Las Vegas. I'm going there. I'm buying tickets. I would love to see you guys there. Besides that, guys, Imagine Dragons is going to be there. They have not yet announced, or they won't announce who the other performers are on the other day, but guess what? They said that they guarantee you it's going to be on the same level, if not better, than Imagine Dragons, depending on what your taste is, guys. So, but this ticket that you're buying, you have to be logged in to Gala Games. You need to have a Gala Games account. Use my referral link to make your account, please. But once you've created your account, you can hop in here and you can actually purchase these tickets. This is the Epic ticket. This is the lowest tier. This is the Saturday ticket. It gives me a one-night accommodation in the Aria Resort and Casino. Guys, so your ticket already pays for your stand there, for your hotel stay there, right? All you have to worry about is the flight there. If you're close, you can drive there, great. Aria Resort, guys. This is a huge hotel and casino in Las Vegas, and you have a room in there just for buying this ticket. In addition, you're going to have access to the Galaverse, which is going to be a metaverse where you actually have access to different worlds. And in these different worlds, if you are there in a specific time, in a specific place, you actually get exclusive NFTs. You also get exclusive NFTs just for buying the ticket. You're going to have included breakfast and dinner. You have evening entertainment. There's another version of this ticket that's a little more expensive that gives you evening entertainment and VIP access where you actually talk to the Gala team. Guys, you're getting all of this. I'm going. I'm gonna be there. I hope to see you guys there as well. I'm so excited. I can't even. It's driving me crazy. But don't hear it from me, guys. Listen to what they have to say.
There's two parts to this. The first is that when you purchase the ticket, you get a code which you will be able to redeem for the actual pass that you'll need to show to enter the event. Correct? Am I doing okay so far? Okay.
You're doing okay so far.
Okay.
I'm keeping an eye on you.
The next part is that there might be other stuff that is attached to that ticket. Maybe specific. Maybe there's parts that he wouldn't get because he doesn't have another thing. I don't know. I know nothing. I know nothing.
But if you're in the venue and you happen to be in a particular world at a particular time, then you might still be able to get a particular thing that no one else can get.
Interesting.
So guys, if you're not in the US or you cannot afford to go to this event, don't worry. There's going to be another set of tickets for people that are outside of the US or just can't afford it, but you will still get access to the Galaverse, where you can be in certain parts of the Galaverse at a particular time and get a particular item, where you still have exclusive access to NFTs. Guys, so you're still able to participate, and that's going to happen on December 13th, and it's about a 3-hour event. Let these guys tell you for themselves.
It's price prohibitive and that kind of thing. And I totally get that not everybody has that. ability to spend that money or the want to spend that money.
Right.
That's why there is December 13th. We're not going to exclude anyone, and you can come, and so it will not be price prohibitive. It will be something that everybody will be able to participate in. There will be a ticket price, but it's going to be accessible for everyone so that you can all come and enjoy it. It's going to be like, it's really, really freaking cool. The production quality and the stuff we've got planned. It's TV worthy.
It's like seriously next level. It's seriously next level stuff. What I've seen.
And we got you. We're not gonna exclude you just because you live somewhere that's not in the US.
And guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys, but before I leave, please again use the referral code. And when you do use the referral code, it's gonna prompt you to create an account. And when you do, please also make sure that you're adding the code here at the bottom just in case it's at the end of the URL. Just copy paste it, and that's going to fund this channel. It's literally every time you guys buy a node and you use my code, I get a little bit of Gala in addition to the Gala that I mine every day. So that's gonna help fund my giveaways that are starting again at 5,000 subscribers. First giveaway 7,500, second, and 10,000 third, and it's gonna keep going up from there. The increments will increase though, but it's gonna keep coming. I'm gonna keep doing giveaways, and Gala Nodes will be my way to fund all of this. And the only way that I can make additional money is when you guys use my referral code and create your accounts. Again, it's free to create the account. Please do so. If you do decide to buy a node, I will be putting together a link exact step-by-step walkthrough on how to go about doing that. Guys, I leave you at that. See you in the next video. Peace, and I'm out.